You didn't plan to buy it. You didn't even need it, but somehow it still ended up in your shopping cart. Impulse buying isn't about being careless with money. It isn't about being irresponsible. And it definitely isn't about being unintelligent. Impulse buying is about psychology. More specifically, it's about how your brain reacts to rewards, emotions, and pressure. And once you understand how it works, you stop blaming yourself and start seeing the system clearly. Let's break it down. Most people believe impulse buying happens because of weak self-control. They think disciplined people don't fall for it, but that's not true. Smart people impulse buy. High earners impulse buy. Even people who understand finance impulse buy. Because money decisions are rarely logical, they're emotional first, logical second. When you see something you like, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is not the happiness chemical, it's the anticipation chemical. It's what makes you feel excited before the reward happens. Your brain doesn't wait for ownership. It reacts to the possibility of ownership. That's why browsing feels good. That's why scrolling online stores feels relaxing. And that's why adding items to your cart already gives you a small emotional reward.